And there she is, ladies and gentlemen, vehicle hail protection from Hillbilly Protection Systems in the Lone Star State, hail capital of the world. Well, there's one of the cars protected mostly from hail. That's a 6-foot by 16-foot lake water lily pad. It's 1.5 inches thick, made of that low density polyethylene foam. Like I showed in previous clips, these are Seaflow port adapters for hoses. I just cut off the hose nipple end, and I think I made a mistake. I said it was 12 millimeters between the flanges. It's actually 18 millimeters, and then I hacksawed off the nipple and then turned the nut. There's actually a nut on the back side of this. Normally this would be up against the bulkhead of the boat, but these grommets will allow this rope. I'm going to put pigtails of rope with loops with some shock cord and hooks, make it to where I can quickly deploy this over this Acura TSX. A lot of the protection comes from the house and the oak tree, but at least the top of the car and some of the sides protected. All right, there we have it. That gap, 12 millimeter for a 1.5 inch thick lily pad. You can see how I cut that off there. And there's the grommet. Again, that's 5/8 inch hole there. It's about a small grommet. See how I have it flush on the underside here? Sorry, need to film straight here. There we go. I'm actually going to order 2 more. Got one at the corner, one in the middle, one at the corner. Actually, going to order 4 more. I'm going to put one here, one there, and one there. I'm going to start with a gap of 10 millimeter, take a hacksaw and cut on the back side of that nut right there and lop that off, and see how that works, compressing that foam to make a through grommet. For a little project I'll share it later. So this is a 6 by 16 foot lily pad, 1.5 inches thick. This is a Seaflow through hole fitting, you know, for like bilge pump, discharge, whatever. That hole is 5/8 inch. It's about the smallest they make for boats anyway. The threaded portion is just a smidgen over 7/8 inch diameter, so you'd have to drill a hole in a transom or fiberglass a little bit bigger than 7/8 inch. So I figure to make a grommet, I'm going to use this to make a grommet in the foam. I'm not going to drill a 7/8 inch hole. Heck, I don't know, maybe 3/4, not sure yet, but I'll figure it out. And then I'll probably, if I want to have it flat, I might have the nut on the other side, this nut, screw in this way, so this portion here is flat. You'll see.